Good morning, students. Our topic for today is fundamental rights of Indian citizens. What is the definition of fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are essential human rights that are offered to every citizen, irrespective of caste, race, creed, place of birth, religion, or gender. These are equal to freedom, and these rights are essential for personal good and the society at large. There are 6 fundamental rights. The number 1 is the right to equality. Number 2, right to freedom. Number 3, the right to freedom from exploitation. Number 4 is the right to freedom of religion. Number 5, cultural and educational rights. Number 6, the right to constitutional remedies. We will study these rights in detail one by one. The first fundamental right is right to equality. Right to equality ensures equal rights for all the citizens. The right to equality prohibits inequality on the basis of caste, religion, place of birth, race, or gender. It also ensures equality of opportunity in matters of public employment and prevents the state from discriminating against anyone in matters of employment on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, place of residence, or any of them. Number 2 right is right to freedom. Right to freedom provides us with various rights. These rights are freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of assembly without arms, freedom of movement throughout the territory of our country, freedom of association, freedom to practice any profession, freedom to reside in any part of the country. However, these rights have their own restrictions also. Number 3 is right against exploitation. Right against exploitation condemns human trafficking, child labor, forced labor, making it an offense punishable by law, and also prohibit any act of compelling a person to work without wages, where he was legally entitled not to work or to receive remuneration for it, unless it is for the public purpose like community services or NGO work. 4th is right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion guarantees religious freedom and ensures secular states in India. The Constitution says that the state should treat all religions equally and impartially, and that no state has no official religion. It also guarantees all people the freedom of conscience and the right to preach, practice, and propagate any religion of their choice. 5 is cultural and educational rights. Cultural and educational rights protects the rights of cultural, religious, and linguistic minorities by enabling them to conserve their heritage and protecting them against discrimination. Educational rights ensure education for everyone, irrespective of their caste, gender, religion, etc. Next is right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies ensures citizens to go to the Supreme Court of India to ask for enforcement or protection against violation of their fundamental rights. The Supreme Court has the jurisdiction to enforce the fundamental rights even against private bodies, and in case of any violation, award compensation as well to the affected individual. I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.